Kay
Maganda mga ito. Kung di klaro mga kuwan. Pero magamit ako lyrics kaya hindi na ako memorize ng kanta.
Ang naong sa bukid na heritage din.
Okay. Two old friends met again, wearing all their faces, and talk about the places they have been. Two old sweethearts fell apart. Summer long ago, how they ought to know. Someday they meet again, it'll help to me for reminiscing. Maybe this time they will know that they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love, maybe this time, maybe this time, love only.
Ah, naungi naman noon. Ungi man noon. Klaro ni mo, ay wala klaro.
Matulog na. Madamo sa tanin mo.
At tinutuan. Ayaw mo ito.